Bullish Mbox cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $2.06 and $4.48 by 2030. Market experts accept Mbox could reach $2.06 by 2025. Bearish Mbox market cost expectation for 2022 is 36 cents. Mbox presentation. As cryptographic forms of money became standard, their applications have additionally moved past method for installment. One such application is the generally new non-fungible token. NFTs are one-of-a-kind computerized resources that only one individual can possess. Be that as it may, what precisely do NFTs mean for the crypto world, and how have they changed the game in the recently arising metaverses? Enter the Mbox coin. In this video, we'll go over the nuts and bolts of Mbox and let you know all that you really want to be familiar with the coin's anticipated cost, so you can choose whether to purchase Mbox. In this way, continue to peruse for the total Mbox value expectation and contributing it. What is Mbox? The Mbox coin isn't exactly a conventional coin on the crypto market fundamentally, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Rather, it's a local utility token. Thusly, the assessed cost expectation varies contrasted with the cost expectation for other run-of-the-mill digital currencies. The undertaking that Mbox coin was worked for to act as a utility token is the Mbox convention. The Mbox convention is a yield-cultivating crypto project that produces coins for the mobox and internet gaming metaverse. What is a utility token? A utility token, at times known as an application coin or a client token, is an extraordinary kind of crypto token that permits token holders to utilize items and administrations. Thusly, the Mbox token is the token inside the Mbox convention, permitting clients to get to administrations inside the mobox metaverse. Utility tokens have different expected forecasts and projections contrasted with common digital forms of money. The justification for these distinctions is that utility tokens are frequently unregulated. They structure a miniature economy inside various blockchains and thusly have an alternate cost expectation, market cap, and future cost estimate. What is a yield cultivating task? Yield cultivating is a method for benefiting by loaning digital currency and benefiting through interest. In spite of the fact that yield cultivating isn't really a wise interest temporarily, it might get a decent return 2 or 3 years' time given that the money has a consistent cost increment. Yield cultivating projects are otherwise called DeFi, or decentralized finance projects. That is on the grounds that clients loan or get coins on a decentralized exchanging stage. Whether a yield-cultivating project is a productive speculation relies generally upon the kind of digital currency being exchanged as well as the cost figure. Mbox Central Investigation. At first sent off in April 2021. Mbox is a token for exchanging gaming NFTs. As such, it's a method for procuring and exchange coins as you mess around on the Mbox site. Mbox is gathered and controlled through in-game resources. Notwithstanding, dissimilar to most NFTs which are based on the Ethereum blockchain, Mbox is based on the Binance Savvy chain. The typical conjecture cost, most extreme cost figure, and Mbox cost increment are hence on a very basic level connected to the Binance blockchain. This likewise settles on Mbox a harmless to the ecosystem digital money decision, making it carbon unbiased. Mbox current cost. Mbox is right now worth 45 cents USD. Mbox has moved 2.48% as of now with an exchanging volume of $7,441,124. Mbox is right now positioned 391 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $36,632,824 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Mbox to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Mbox Value Forecast 2022. Mbox, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The Mbox cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to 68 cents. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 64 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is plausible soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. Mbox is supposed to have a base worth of 54 cents. Mbox Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Mbox Mbox cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Mbox will before long outperform $1.14. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the Mbox's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Mbox will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 91 cents and a typical exchanging cost of $1.01. Mobox Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.60 and Mbox might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Mbox is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.46 and a low of $1.37 in 2024. Mobox Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Mobox effectively helps market opinion among digital money aficionados, the Mbox coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Mbox will be green in 2025. The Mbox is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $2.06, with a base cost of $1.83 and a typical cost of $1.92. Mobox Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Mbox cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $2.38 by 2026, with a base cost of $2.29 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Mbox has a most extreme value worth of $2.51. Mobox Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.83. On the off chance that Mbox figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $2.97. Neglecting to assemble the help Mbox needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $2.74. Mobox Value Expectation 2028. While Mbox is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $3.20 and a yearly cost close above $3.43 in 2028. Mobox Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Mobox will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $3.66 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $3.89, averaging out at $3.75. Mobox Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Mbox cost in 2030 is projected to be $4.48 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $4.30. And NFTs are as yet a generally new innovation. In this manner, it is hard to know their general effect on the crypto market and as long-haul monetary speculations. Notwithstanding this vulnerability, exchanging Mobox is at present a fair market speculation. For the present, one can anticipate that Mobox should acquire financial backers